Hello everyone, welcome back to Maximum Automation. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can perform the git clone operation in the Jenkins Pipeline project. In my last video, we saw how to create a pipeline project and then created different stages including project clean, build, and then the test run. Last time we executed the test from the source code that was already available in my system. But let's say if your source code is available on the Git repository, then first you need to download it from the repo. And then you have to perform multiple stages like build, test, and other stages. So today we'll see how we can add the git clone step in our build pipeline. And for that, let me go to the configure option. Here in the pipeline step, before this stage .NET Clean, I'm going to add another stage that I'll call as git clone. So before any stage, I want to perform the source code download from the repository. Here, I'll create another stage with name as git clone. You can provide any name to this stage. After that, under this stage, I'm going to add a step. And then under that, I'll add a command for git clone. Git is the command to get the code from the repository, followed by the branch, where we need to provide the branch name. And after that, URL, where we need to provide the git URL. Now to get the details for the git branch and URL, I'll move to the GitHub page. Here I have this repo for Allure and unit integration. And now what I want is to clone this project. So first of all, I need to copy the git clone URL. And then I'm going to paste it over here. And then the branch would be the master branch, because I have only one branch available, that is master. So I have provided the branch name as master. In case you have any other branch available in the same repository and you want the code to be downloaded from the specific branch, then you can provide your branch name over here. That's it. That's what we need to do. Now let me save it. And then I'm going to build the project. Let me click on the build. You can see a new build has been triggered. And if I move to the folder, which is a default workspace of this pipeline project, you can see currently we do not have anything here. But as part of git clone step, all folders from git repo will be copied here in some time. Once this git clone step is done, then we'll have all the source code available under the workspace into this folder. You can also specify a specific location as well if you want. Let's say that you do not want the source code to be downloaded on a workspace folder, then you can provide another folder path. I'll show you how to do the same in the build pipeline. Here you can see that the git clone step is done, and now it is running the step clean and further operation. One thing to note down here is that we have specified a different folder to execute the test and perform the other operations, because initially we have provided a different folder path for the framework. But now we have downloaded the code into the default workspace. So let's say if you want to perform the git clone on a specific folder, then how to do that? So let me go to the configure option again. To perform this step on a specific directory, you need to provide the directory keyword here and then the path of the directory. For example, let's say if I want to download my source code under this folder, so I'll provide the directory path over here. Now this git command will run on this specified directory and the source code will be downloaded into this folder. But we know that each time we're going to run the build, the source code is also going to be downloaded every time. So before downloading, I want to delete the existing folder or files. In that case, I can add another stage for folder cleanup. And then here, I can add the steps. Inside this step, I can type the batch command to delete the folder. But again, we have to be on this directory before we perform the remove operation. To be in the same specified directory where we want to remove the folder, provide the directory path again. We can move to the directory automation framework, and then we can remove the folder page object model. And after that, we can add another step to create the folder again. So this step is going to remove the page object model folder, and then this step is going to create the folder again. After that, we can take the git clone inside this folder. This is how you can add a folder cleanup step. So what we did is, here we have added the script to perform the git clone, and then we have specified the directory where we want to run these steps. Okay, here I have made a mistake. We have to add this directory under steps. Anything should come under these steps. We cannot add the script above these steps. Similarly, we have to perform the changes here as well. Now we are done. So let me save the project. And now I'm going to click on build. You can see that first it started with the stage clean workspace. You'll see that it will delete the page object model folder over here. And now this has created the folder again. And if I go inside, then currently this folder is blank. And now it is taking the git clone inside this folder. And when the source code is available, then this is going to perform the further stages. So this is how you can perform the git clone into a specific folder, and then further you can run your tests. Git clone stage is completed, and now clean stage is running. Once the execution is done, then we'll have the results available with us. So this is how the stages will look once the build is completed. And here we can see that our test run failed. That's okay, because the test cases which we have checked into the Git repository are breaking because either they are outdated or working as expected. But we can leave it for now, because the idea was to show you how you can download your source code from the Git repository, and then how you can perform the different operation onto the same source code to run your test using the latest source code which you have downloaded using the git command. I hope you like this video. Put your comments into the comment box. Also, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.